This is a DDAmanda video on KBNT Inc. For some reason, this makes me think of that lawyer on The Usual Suspects, Kobayashi. Anyway, symbol KBNT on the OTC now. They were on NASDAQ just a little while ago. And I've got a couple of little phrases to help you remember the symbol. The first one is kiss babies, not toads. And another one is kill bears, not toddlers. I like to make these up to make sure you get the symbol right. Anyway, this originally came to our attention on 11/14 with this 70 factor. It came up on a scan where she dropped 36%, and we started investigating. Trying to figure out what's going on here and why. So, first thing we did was look at the financials, and there they are right here, and we came to see that this is their balance sheet annual. They've got 15 million cash. This is thousands. And on liabilities, zip baby, 2 million on accounts payable. That's it. So that was pretty interesting. In fact, let's go to quarterly here. The quarterly balance sheet, still 12 million cash, and now you only got 1.7 million accounts payable. That's it. That's all he got for liabilities. So what this means is, since they have 15 million OS, their book value is like around 80 cents. Okay. Anyway, then we went and now she closed at 4 on Friday, 4 cents. We went into the filings to try to learn more about this. And let's do that. Okay, since this was a NASDAQ company, let's start looking at some 8Ks. The first one is on May 30th, and they announced that they would merge with a company called DDAmanda Inc., a Delaware corporation. Now, they're into digital advertising. And I went to their website, and it's pretty interesting. This is all their, I guess they do billboards. This is all their places where they advertise around the world. I mean, in the United States. They've got other places where they can advertise. You've got, grocery stores, bars, mountain resorts, all sorts of places. And airports, buses. It's pretty cool. DDAmanda. So they're going to merge into Kubian, into our little baby here. So, the next filing... So that's the merger. So the next filing is on... Now this is kind of weird. Their accountants resigned. Now, this one is dated September 25th. It says there was no disagreements with Markham's, their accountants, or other on accounting principles or practices, financial statements, or any of this stuff. I'm guessing that as a result, because of the merger, that's going to require some pretty extensive accounting, because they have to do the accounting on DDAmanda, the company moving in here, that maybe these guys were too expensive and they couldn't pay them, or I don't know. But so these guys, I think as a kind of a payback, said all this work they did before is now non-reliance, which is kind of a bullshit thing to do, but anyway. So there is that. And let's look at the next one. The next one that they released was on 10/6. So let's look at that one. I think I already have that one up. Yeah, this one. Now on this one, they decided to reduce expenses, and they did a reduction in the workforce. And the reason for it is to reduce operating costs in connection with the implementation of the advance of the merger here with Adomni. Okay. So they're going to do some stuff here to reduce costs. But anyway, as of October 6th, this merger is still going on. And then, let's see, the next one is 10/17, this one. Now on this one of the board members was appointed temporary CEO, interim CEO. This is this Ms. De La Mars. And so she's the temporary CEO because Paul, the CEO that was there, resigned. Okay. And that is another 8K that came out on 11/8. So this guy, Paul, the CEO, resigned. I'm trying to get it in the screen here. Shit. Why isn't this? There it is. Departure directors, this guy Paul Roberts resigned. So he resigned, and now Elizabeth is the temporary CEO until, the merger happens, and, that Adomni probably is going to put in their people. So we got one more filing to go, and that's going to be the doozy. So let's close this for now, and then we're going to get into the last filing. Okay, we're going to look at the last filing, but before that I thought I'd show you guys back in May when they, we keep 200 days worth of trading data in DDAmanda. So back in May when they announced this merger, she was bebopping along at 61.50, but she went up to 70s, actually intraday high here of $1. So she went way up as a result of that merger, the announcement of the merger with Adomni, but has since, she kind of cruised along here, and then just recently in September started to drop again down to the 30s and 20s, and now she's here. But let's look at this last filing. Now this one is the one that came out on 11/15, and here's 11/15 right here. And what they did is they actually resigned from NASDAQ. Instead of being forced to, forced by NASDAQ to delist from NASDAQ, they just said, screw it. We're voluntarily going to do it. So I've never heard of any companies that did that before. But anyway, intention to voluntarily delist its common stock and warrants from NASDAQ. Okay. Now, a lot of people don't understand what that means. All it means is that, you're not going to be on NASDAQ. I mean, you're not going to be trading in that market, but instead you're just going to move to the OTC. And there's no difference in the trading, absolutely zero. So, but a lot of people freak out, and as a result of this, you got this. Look at this. That not 36% down, 19%, 11%, and then on Friday, and what actually happened is they did this as of okay, it says here November 17th, but there was no lag. There's E-Trade. You couldn't trade it on E-Trade on Friday, but Fidelity traded fine. You know, it didn't trade very much. I think there was only a few brokerages because it takes time to do the symbol thing and all that other stuff. But on Monday she's going to trade, gangbusters with everybody. You'll be able to trade it with any brokerage, I'm pretty sure. So anyway, this is what happened. These people overreacted, went bonzo, drove the price into the dirt. I mean, look at this intraday low of 2 cents. I mean, that's insane. And so anyway, what's the summary here? Well, the summary is that this thing has been knocked for a loop for no good reason, you know. And then if you look at, if you look at the financials, they got 12 million cash, and no debt. So if you do the calculation, if you divide this total cash, total assets that they have, divide that by the 15 million OS which they have. I mean, let's look at the security details here. There's their outstanding shares, 15 million. So, divide 13 million or whatever by 15 and you get like 86 cents a share. That's what what these shares are really worth. I mean, it's pretty crazy, really. I mean, they are losing money but that may change with this merger, okay? So you got this 13 million cash, or 12 million here, divided by your OS of 15. That's like 80, 90 cents a share of, that's your book value. And where are we trading? 4 cents. So I'm assuming, I'll bet anything that this thing is going to run and at least, get somewhere close to, uh, maybe 30 or whatever, 20, whatever. But like I said, their book value is 86 cents. That's what they're worth. Plus, they got a Domni moving in. That's going to bring in more revenue. And I don't know. I like this company. I think they got good stuff coming on, and I'm looking forward to the price really going up this coming week. All right, guys. I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you guys. And I'll see you guys later. Have a good rest of the weekend. Oh yeah, to help you remember the symbol, here we go. KBNT Inc. KBNT, kiss babies, not toads. Or kill bears, not toddlers. Alright, I thought I'd add that. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.